Good morning, all of my students over there. So, hope you have got all the informations. Even I have gone through the videos and the documents which I have already uploaded. You are watching it, but the comments are not so much as it had been for the last week. Okay. Although, apart from this, today I'm gonna transfer something. I'm gonna upload solitary reaper some question for class 11, and I remember for class 12 some questions. Right? Some question means short question that would help you in the broad question as well as short question. So I did not differentiate any question 6 marks or 1 marks. I just try to mix up them and make a little bit difference one, right? So one thing is clear that you are going to get a different complete answer थोड़ा संपूर्ण प्रश्न उत्तर पेज अभी एंड यदि आप लोग उससे अटेम्प्ट करते हो तो मेरे ख्याल से आप लोग को एग्ज़ाम में उसका अच्छा खासा कवरेज मिलेगा, दिक्कत का कोई बात नहीं है. So for class 11, I'll want to tell you that guys, last day we went through solitary reaper. I just described you the critical appreciation and also uploaded a critical appreciation of my point of view. And today I have given a lot of questions even, right? And for class 12, I remember, and by Thomas Hood, and of course Leo Tolstoy's 3 questions. We have already done it. So uh, in this regard, for class 11 and class 12, that let me just something match something. In class 11 there is a prose that is Cinderella. Just let me explain a little bit of that poem. Cinderella is a traditional story, not a poem, sorry. It's a story. Cinderella is a very traditional story. We have already heard, you people already heard about it. Cinderella, a girl, maybe a beautiful girl. But one thing, একটা জিনিস आप लोगों को एक विषय ख्याल रखना है. Why does the girl is named as or called as Cinderella? Cinder means ash, and it is the countryside of somewhere in Britain or in a cold or in the coldest part of the European continent, where they used to burn the coal or burn the burn used to arrange the fire. And naturally, when a fire goes on, at the end there must be some ashes. So the girl who has been sitting here, her body totally touched with the ashes, totally covered with ashes. So she is called Cinder Girl or Cinderella. Actually, what happens with the girl, her father and mother, she had a father and mother, but suddenly her mother died, and her mother was god like mother. And in order to rear the lady up, rear the girl up, her father decided to marry a lady, another lady. তার মা ঠিক করলেন আর একজন, তার বাবা ঠিক করলেন আর একজন মহিলাকে বিয়ে করবেন তার মায়ের মৃত্যুর পরে. But this time the second lady who has come as her mother, as a so called mother, उसको जाके আমরা বলি সৎ মা. ओके, वो सत माँ के रूप में आई है. लेकिन द लेडी did not look after Cinderella, rather she started looking after her 2 daughters. Even she started comparing the 2 daughters with Cinderella, that Cinderella was having the charmest beauty in the world. She was the most beautiful in the world. She had the greater charm in the world. She had something extraordinary which can influence other at an ease. So this has been the comparison. But there is something called destiny. जब वो ऊपर वाले का खेल रहता है ना, तब नीचे वाले का कुछ चलता नहीं है. ये तो सही बात है. तो Cinderella has been, just every time she cries here and there. She is not happy with her life. She tries to take some comfort from the family, but she never. 2 girls even torture her. In this way, her life goes on and goes on. Suddenly, one day, the king of the state, means the prince, decided to arrange a ball. And in the ball means, what is the ball? Ball means a big party. Party होता है जिस पार्टी में सबको जाना है, সবাইকে যেতে হবে. এই পার্টিতে ঠিক হবে, whoever the beautiful girl, whoever the most beautiful lady would be rewarded, And the reward is what? Reward is the marriage offer from the prince. So naturally everyone gets very much excited. सबको बहुत आश्चर्य उत्साह हुआ, हर्ष और उल्लास के सही सबको ये तैयारी कर रहे हैं. That two girls from Cinderella's home, that means that elder sisters, also starts preparing themselves in an ambition to meet the prince and to have an offer from him. So, but they are not at all beautiful compared to Cinderella. But they decides to take some tips from Cinderella, so that they must be looking like Cinderella, though Cinderella, is covered with ashes, and she looks totally dirty. In spite of that dirty figure, see, her face has a different charm which charms anyone, which attracts anybody. Now Cinderella is very unhappy. She is unable to go to the ball. But the ladies who has been torturing so wrongly with her comes to her to take some tips, and also advises or requests her to help them to make up, so that they might be looking beautiful on the days of ball. Naturally, the day of the ball comes. Now the ladies are ready to go on. Even one of them ladies, I like to tell you, one of the girls starts dieting. She even gives up the food. She looks so thin. She believes, if I am looking so thin, it would be so courageous, it would be so attracting for the prince. But God's grace or the God's game, it's completely different. The night comes, and both the girls departs to the princess castle. But now Cinderella is alone. She is crying at her sitting point, that is before the fire log, completely piled with the ashes. Suddenly, what happens here? This is very attractive. Here her godmother appears in the form of a fairy. She feels the pain of her daughter. She comes out in the form of fairy. वो फेरी परी के रूप में आती है. उसकी माँ, वो पहली वाली माँ जो माँ जीवित नहीं है, वो माँ आती है. वो माँ के बोलती है, बच्ची तुमको क्या चाहिए, बोलो क्यों रो रही हो तुम. वो बोली कि माँ मुझे बॉल में पार्टी में जाना है. बोले ज़रूर जाओगे, क्यों नहीं जाओगे. दिस इज़ द as I have told you, this is the transition of the God or the fate or destination, whatever you can call it. माँ बोलती हैं ज़रूर जाओगे, लेकिन तुमको कुछ काम करना पड़ेगा. क्या करना पड़ेगा? तुम जाके अपने घर से, you have to bring the biggest pumpkin. She was in complete confusion. Why do I need to carry the pumpkin? She just carries the pumpkin, and the fairy mother, with the touch of the stick, turns it into a beautiful chariot. She also advises her, go and carry some rats. And those rats has been turned into the horses. Now, who's going to drive the horse? There is a big mouse who's very strong, very silky. Go and bring it. Cinderella goes and bring it. He has been turned into the buggyman or the charioteer. Now it has been completely turned into a gorgeous, drive. But the dress, mother also touches the lady with her stick. Now Cinderella has been turned as she had been previously. She is now looking gorgeous. She has already put on beautiful dresses. She is looking nice, beautiful, extraordinary. But her mother wants her, my dear, listen one thing, एक बात सुन लो, একটা কথা ভালোভাবে শুনে নাও. রাত 12টা বাজবে, you need to come back. You don't need to cross 12. If you are crossing 12, you would be transformed in your previous situation, in your cinder attitude or era. And that would be very embarrassing. I can't help you anymore. So in this way, having a great enjoyment, having a great delightment in her life, Cinderella gets ready and goes to the ball. On the first day, everyone was shocked to see the lady. Who is this gorgeous lady on the earth? कौन है ये सबसे सुंदर लेडी? कौन है सबसे सुंदर महिला ये पृथ्वी में जो आई है यहाँ पर बॉल पे। तो वो जो है वॉचमैन जो रहते हैं ना राजा के, वॉचमैन जो है द वॉचमैन ऑफ द किंग और प्रिंस, सडनली दे वर सरप्राइज्ड एंड इन्फॉर्म द किंग। प्रिंस को बोले एंड प्रिंस हिमसेल्फ केम आउट। Prince himself came out to receive the lady, as she was the only lady who had the cutest beauty indeed. Now, everyone, even the two daughters, her two elder sisters, were also amazed to see at who is this beautiful lady? We are not supposed to be beautiful as she is. Somehow, it was about 12 o'clock. The prince was very much busy in talking with Cinderella. But she got in her mind that 12 o'clock she needs to leave the ball. When it was 12, she just leaves the party with a hesitation, in a hurry. The prince was very much surprised. Why is the lady leaving like this? Okay, the next day comes. What happens when they arrive home? There is an incident. The girl, the two elder sisters, tell their mother, today we have seen a beautiful lady, the only gorgeous lady on the earth. She has attended the ball with us. And the prince was completely engaged with her. राजा तो उनके साथ ही व्यस्त थे, प्रिंस हमारे दिखे तो नजर ही दिच्छिलेन ना. Mother was very much, jealous of it. And Cinderella sitting over there started listening all the things. And she had an inner delightment that she is now going to attend the ball for the next day. Till here I'm just getting down because I have to attend some of them, the class 12. I've already got some comments there, okay. In class 12 there are something. Cinderella is a very simple poem. In class 12, I like to tell you for the students of class 12, Parrots Training by Rabindranath Tagore. It's a simple story, but the story has been carrying a deeper thought of the then Indian condition. Here we see a parrot who is who has been very, unruly according to the king and his courtiers. So one day it has been decided that he has to be given a good moral teaching. He has to be given a good schooling. So what is to do? What is to be done now? Now it is to be arranged. Now a school has to be arranged for him. Okay, so the whole story is about this. So here from, just like to tell you that for class 11 you have enough material. Go through them. Okay, study them and send me the comment box whatever you are like, you like or does not like, right? And for class 12, this is story. The Parrots Training by Rabindranath Tagore is an exceptional one which I am going to continue by the next day. Okay, but till the date, whatever we have done, I want you to continue, and please just send me whatever the problem you are facing through, whatever the problem you are running, just give me on the comment box. I'll be waiting for that. Okay, next day sooner we are meeting. Till then, take care. Okay, and always I pray to God so that we can come over. I believe we must get over the problem sooner. So take care. Be safe at your home. We are meeting sooner. And next day we are going to discuss for class 12 most of the classes, okay, for class 12 student. So be attentive and leave all the comments. Please just leave the comments in the comment box and go through the description. I have already uploaded everything. Take care. Goodbye.